This video is sponsored by Gripstick, available at cults3d.com. The link will be in the comments below. Oh, that's got some beans. Okay, Maiden flight, 73-inch. It's an Edge 540?
Yeah.
Edge 540, and it's 3D labs?
Yeah.
And what did you print it in?
It's just PLA.
PLA, and it's running on 12S. What size prop?
18, I think.
Oh yeah. And do you know the size of the motor you used?
No.
Okay. Well, it's big. It's like the size of my fist. Right on. Maiden flight. You good? Yeah. Nice. That thing's trimmed already. Wow. That flies good. How does it feel? Right on, that's flying good. Wow, look at those clouds in the background.
That'd be the biggest plane
Yeah, so far so good. Have you given it full throttle yet? Oh, that's got some beans. Nice. Playing it safe on the first flight. Bit of a breeze coming in. Yeah, I'd land now with the wind. Nice. Right on. Good job. Are you feeling relieved? Holy. And it's cold. It's like 2 degrees and you got gloves on. Maiden flight. Right on. Boxing Day 2025. Only the hardcore are out flying today.